Start your affiliate marketing business in 2021 on a right way. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing for beginners in 2021 on a right way. There are many methods you can use to do affiliate marketing. You can use paid traffic, you can use free traffic, you can do with blogs, without blogs. There are many methods and strategies. Hello everybody, hope everybody is doing great. Happy new year to all of you. Hope this is the year you're going to convert all part of your life into amazing as a blessing. Make it possible. Take the massive action. Action is very important so that you can convert this 2021 as an amazing year of your life. So if you're first time here, guys, do subscribe my channel called Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos on Monday and Thursday. You can watch this playlist, and if you really like this video, smash the like button, subscribe my channel, and do not forget to share your thoughts, right? How do you like this video? Because watching this video will really going to give a amazing idea where and how you're going to convert your affiliate marketing business as a strong online passive income business. So before I show you how to start affiliate marketing for beginners, I want to share you the sales formula of affiliate marketing, and that is, are you providing values? This is the number one thing. If you're providing values, guys, values build trust, and trust build relationship, and relationship brings the sale. Always remember this one formula. It's not about free traffic, paid traffic. It's not about the tools which you use. It's all about, are you solving people's problem? Are you providing values to them? If you providing values, guys, it will ultimately build the trust, right? And trust build relationship, and relationship trigger for the sales. No values, no trust, no relationship, no relationship, no sales. Okay, this is how affiliate marketing. There are two things which can kill your affiliate marketing business, especially if you're an affiliate marketing beginners. If you are a sales mindset guy, right? If you always think about sales, because affiliate marketing is all about process. If you love your process, the sales is a byproduct of your process. Okay, so if you are a sales mindset, maybe a drop shipping business is good for you. Maybe a real estate business is good for you, but not the affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing is long term. The second thing which can kill your affiliate marketing business is you're a selfish marketer who always think about yourself. But being a marketer, guys, you have to think about your target audience. It's not about you. Marketing is not about you. It's about your target audience. You don't have a money, you're doing with website, you're doing from this country, you're doing from that country. It's not about all those things. Being selfish and having the mindset of sales can kill any affiliate marketing business. So instead of that, guys, replace that mindset with providing values and building the trust, relationship with your target audience, which ultimately trigger you the sales. So watch your methods. If it is not giving you a consistent sale, the reason they don't trust you, they don't think you're the right guy to recommend them the products. Okay, so now let's talk about the free methods and the paid methods. You can do affiliate marketing with free method. You can do affiliate marketing with paid methods. Okay, so let's talk about what are the different free methods. Okay, one of the amazing free method, guys, which can give you ongoing sale is content marketing. When it comes to content marketing, guys, whatever you're seeing in the internet, right, through a form of blogs or videos or images, text, whatever it is, it's all about the content. So what are the best form of contents? Okay, the best forms of content in affiliate marketing is your website, your YouTube, and Pinterest. As well as it is going to give you free traffic because it is an SEO friendly platform. Okay, so look at this here, guys, how to lose weight. Okay, this is one of the most searchable keyword. Okay, here you can see the moment I type how to lose weight, here you can see this is the website which is ranking here, Healthline. You type anything like weight loss, keto, you will see this website called healthline.com. Okay, here you can see all of these contents are like the contents with created with website, okay, and which is ranking here in this one particular keyword. Okay, and that's the power of content marketing, guys. Once if you ranked it here, it will be there for years. Can you see this one? This is wrote on October 29, 2020. And look at this one, guys. This has wrote on 2018. That's the power of content marketing and SEO friendly platform like website, YouTube, and Pinterest. Right, in 2018, they uploaded this content here, guys. It's still ranking. Look at this, another one. right, from another website. It is like 2018. Look at this, like how to lose weight fast. This is wrote on December 14, 2020. What does it mean, guys? You're starting right today or you're starting tomorrow, right? You'll get amazing opportunity. Yes, of course, like website take a little bit time. But once if you're able to rank in particular keyword, guys, you will get ongoing traffic. That's the power of content and SEO. And look at these people also who are in the bottom. Okay, they are running the Google ads. Again, fastest weight loss program. Maybe they will stop their ads, okay, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, but this content will always going to rank here in this particular right keyword. That's the power of content marketing and SEO. Let's see the YouTube, how to lose weight. Again, the same keyword. And can you see this, guys? 8 years back, people has uploaded this content here. Okay, 8 years, 1.4 million free traffic, guys. This is the power of free traffic 8 years back. And can you see this one here, 4 years back and 9 million views. Okay, 6 months back, right? 2 months back, 1 year back. That means, guys, you're uploading valuable content, which is providing values. You will get these pays, right, to rank in the search engine, and you'll get the unlimited free traffic. That's the power of SEO and content once again. And then my favorite platform, if you don't want to create the content like website and YouTube, then the Pinterest. Okay, here you can see how to lose weight. You can see all of these are the content. Pinterest is a guided search engine for visual content. So you don't need to write huge text like website, like YouTube. You don't need to create a video. Then Pinterest is an amazing platform because you don't need to create your own content. You can save other people's spin and you can make money from that. I already have an amazing playlist of Pinterest marketing. Go and check that. So that's the power of, guys, content marketing and SEO. There is no comparison of these three platforms, guys, in affiliate marketing when it comes to free traffic and a long-term traffic. Okay, so now the question is, can you do this thing with social media? The answer is yes, you can do with the social media, any of this social media. Like you can do this thing with Facebook group, Instagram, TikTok, Tumblr. But I am not comparing this social media with this platform. Remember one thing. There is no comparison of content marketing with this three platform with any other platform. No comparison. No social media can give you long-term business. So yes, of course, you can use social media to make few sales and then investing in email marketing. Because, guys, right, email is the only traffic which is not only free, this is own traffic. Once if you collected the email, yes, of course, you have to spend little money in the beginning. Okay, and then once if you own this email, right, you can promote any kinds of offer. I have a email marketing playlist. Go and check that. That will help you for sure, even if you're a beginner. In email, is a lot of people say is the money is in the list. Actually, guys, it's not about the money is not in the list. According to my experience, money is when you build the relationship with your target audience, when you send them the email sequence. Again, came on the same principle that is called, right, or formula that is called providing values. If you're providing values, guys, right, through your emails, it will build trust and it will ultimately going to give you the sales. Okay, and everything, guys, in content marketing is all about providing values, right? You're doing with website, you're doing with YouTube, Pinterest, social media, or emails. It's all about providing values. If you're providing values, guys, it will build trust, it will build relationship and give you the sales. So now let's check the paid traffic. So one of the question among, right, affiliate marketer who are beginner is like, which is like a good platform to start affiliate marketing in paid ad? Which platform is good, which is like, you know, have less restriction, or which can give you a more conversion? Okay, so instead of looking and choosing the platform on that way, guys, I just want to give you a different angle to choose, right, your platform. And that is, guys, if you don't know these 5 things, okay, then whatever the platform you use, you're not going to get the conversion. Okay, and the number 1 is target audience. The first thing, if you're a beginner, you should ask yourself, do you know target audience? If no, guys, you have to spend little time to know target audience. Okay, and the second very important is, right, writing a copy. If you don't know how to write a good copy which really brings you sales, I'm not talking about here becoming the master of writing a copy. Here I'm talking about at least you should have a minimum knowledge of writing a good copy. And then guys, ad analysis, right? Analyzing the KPIs of key performing indicators of your Facebook ad or Google ad, whatever the ad you're running. And then you're going to find which ad is working for you and which is not working for you, okay? Which is bringing more conversion for you. And then you're going to invest more money on that ad set. That is known as guys scaling. And at the end guys, retargeting. The real money is in the retarget. If you retarget, if you convert the cold audience into the warm audience, then only you can make the real money there. Okay, so these are the 5 important skill guys I called if you want to master any ad. So it's not about Google ad will give more conversion to affiliate marketer and Facebook ad is going to give less conversion. Okay, yes, of course, Facebook is a little bit restriction, but if you don't know these 5 important things, whatever the money you have, you will going to burn those money just like that in any of this platform. Okay, so now the question is which platform you can go with it. Okay, of course the Facebook is good, but here you can see Facebook has bought this new update called Apple iOS 14. With this update, Facebook is not going to track the interest and behavior of their target audience, because most of the user in this tier 1 countries, the big 5, they use Apple, right? They use this Apple phone, and once they get the update of 14, iOS 14, the Facebook have the problem to track their behaviors, their interests. And that is the reason we use Facebook. Okay, we use the Facebook because they have an amazing target database, as well as they know their database behavior and interests. So this will affect our targeting, retargeting, reporting, so many other things. Okay, so this will become a lot of limitation for new marketers as well as the old also. As well as they have came with another update, and that is recently, that is for if you're running the campaigns in Europe, they have little bit restriction right now if you're running the conversion campaign or traffic campaign. So you can read all this thing in your own time. So meanwhile guys, Facebook is changing so many things there. I think you have to go with Google ads, right? And Google ads is a good option. And you have a YouTube ads, you have a Bing ads, right? And as compared to Facebook ad policies, Google ads have less restriction for affiliate marketers. Okay, and then you have a YouTube ads, and then you have a Bing ads. You can use Bing ads, you can use Pinterest ads, as well as you have native ads also. Okay, native ad is not friendly for beginners, but if you have a lot of budget with yourself, native ads is going to give you good conversion, and that is straight highway. There's no restriction on the native ads. Very soon I'm going to bring the videos on native ads too. And also you're going to see the Google ad series as well as YouTube ad series very soon in my channel. Okay, that means I'm going to scale the offer from $0 to $1,000 in front of you. You have to pick 1 or 2 platform guys. This is really important. Pick 1 or 2 platform and stick to that platform. It's not about the platform. You will get the conversion from any of this platform. It's all about, do you know target audience? Do you know copywriting? Do you know how to analyze the KPIs? And do you know which ad set is performing well? Can you find out that thing? Can you invest the money? That is scaling. And you have to do the retargeting. If it is free traffic guys, it's all about the content which provide values. And if you understand this mind map guys, it's very easy for you to choose one of this. Make sure only one thing, that you're selecting 1 or 2 platform for a long time, because affiliate marketing is a long time. It's a process. Once if you master the process, if you provide values, you'll get the sales. Okay, and if you master the 5 skills, you will get the sales conversion in the ad. It's just very simple. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got a lot of learning and got the idea to choose what works for you. According to the budget you have right now, where your business standing, choose 1 or 2 platform. The free traffic is one of the best platform for beginners to start, and then later on make some money and invest in the paid ad. That's a great idea. So with that said guys, smash the like button and do not forget to share your valuable thoughts about this video. Share your thoughts in the comment guys, and do subscribe my channel so that you can get more valuable videos. Thank you.